How to see house numbers in Google Maps. You can also do it on your PC or your Mac. So there are three ways to do it. For example, if I live on this Willow PL, first I need to zoom in and zoom it again until there is number appear right here, 36, 38, 42. That's the first one to do it. And the second one, you can just press on the house and see their number, 36, 38. Or if there are no numbers on the two ways, you can go on the third ways, which you want to long press on the street and then tap on this photo right here, and then you can just see the place and see the number. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.